I think they're just more excited about the learning.
So I'm taking over. Welcome back, Hombodies. You know, it's very hard to be me.
What?
Let me make sure. Yeah. I am holding a camera, a sketchbook, and art eraser, and a pencil. This is very hard. Very, very hard. So the girls like to say a few words. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Before I show the girls, I'm gonna show you guys the thingy. It's like filled with weeds, so it's not like all plants, but still. You know, hold on. My mom.
Welcome back, Hombodies. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If this is your very first time joining me, my name is Shannon, Miss Smith, if you please. And over here at the Home Life, we like to focus on full-time homemaking and part-time business owning. As you can see, the roots on my corn are so overgrown. It has been well past the time for me to actually get these in the ground. So the reality of it is that this day, me and management got together and said we are going to use a flamethrower to burn all the grass so that I can then put the tarp down to smother all of the grass in my garden beds. So here's the reality. We argued for like the first 10 to 15 minutes, and then we fell in love again, and we got the job done because this was mission critical. So I would say as a team building exercise, 10 out of 10. But this is currently what it looks like. I ain't film all that work because I ain't have all the energy to work and film and stop and move. So this is what you're gonna see. We do have to run a hose up the hill and then run all of our drip irrigation tubing downhill because I don't have spigots. This is how we joined everything together so that the drip tubing can live. But I'm using a quarter inch 300 feet tubing with 12-inch space emitters. And the way I organize my beds this year is tomatoes at the very far end, peppers in the middle, and then my beans, squash, and herbs, okra at the very top. I think that this is the most efficient way I've done it thus far because I'm seeing major growth, and I cannot attribute it to the grass sucking up all the water and nutrients that I'm putting in the soil and my plants having to compete. So there's that. And this is my one little roll of garlic and onions, and I'm happy with it. It makes me happy. And as you can see, there is some grass left, but it's not really, the plants are not competing. But yeah, that's what this garden looks like this year, and I will be giving updates as the season progresses. I would have to say my favorite part about all of this is the fact that I'm not wasting water. Yay! This will probably be the very first year I don't see a water bill over a couple $100.